Hey, have you ever tried to find the right belt size for your Poulan PR300 snowblower and just got super confused by all the weird sizes? I'm going to show you exactly what size belt fits the Poulan PR300.
The belt that I have. I think the belt's supposed to be a 35 and a half, but we didn't have any of that here. It's an odd number. Usually it's the 36. So if you're looking at this A34, that's a ½ inch wide, and the 4L is 36. That's 36 inches, but it says 36 down here. But make sure it's a ½ inch wide belt. So I'm going to go with that. Poulan, shame on you. You won't even tell anyone the size. You want them to spend a fortune on a belt on your site. But this machine, the Poulan PR300, I think this is, it's the same thing as the, I think it's a different engine on the ST224. Pretty much the same machine. So if it fits, the belt fits on this, it should fit on the ST224. All right, so yesterday the belt went, and I'll show you what happened, but can you see here? I'm getting in the light. Okay, so the belt broke off the auger, and it ripped off that spring, and it got this spring off. It didn't break this one, which is good. This one here, I had to finagle a spring that I had. I don't know what it come out of. I think, honestly, I think that spring come out of a bed frame that I found in the backyard. Dug, it was buried, and I found it with the metal detector. But I think that's where that spring come from. But it works like a charm. Whatever works, right?